Welcome to the future of flavor. Our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of peanuts every hour, ensuring every jar meets our high standards.
The automated sieving machine uses precise vibrations to separate the good peanuts from unwanted debris like stones and twigs.
Despite advances on automation, manual quality control remains essential to ensure only the finest peanuts make it through the line.
Here we see the raw peanuts entering the deep cleaning machine. Utilize high-pressure water jets and air currents.
The cleaned peanuts are now collected in these massive hoppers, ready for the next stage of processing. As the temperature rises, the peanuts transition from a pale tan to a rich, golden brown. This continuous motion is key to a uniform roast.
The skins and germs are rapidly diverted down the chute, separated into designated waste and recycling streams. As the granular sugar cascades into the creamy peanut mixture, the industrial paddles begin their slow,
The liquid natural stabilizers are introduced into the main tank via a precise pumping system to ensure homogenization.
From the mixing tank, the viscous peanut butter is transferred for a second round of fine grinding.
The ultra-fine grinder uses high-speed shearing to transform the coarse paste into a smooth, velvety butter.
The secondary grinder is where the magic truly happens. Here, the peanuts are ground into that distinct, silky, smooth texture.
Consistency is optimal, right within the target range.
Noted. Data matches the required viscosity.
Inside the deaeration chamber, the vacuum process causes the trapped air to expand and vanish, resulting in this perfectly smooth consistency.
Note the immediate nutty flavor, followed by a slight caramelized undertone. The mouthfeel is creamy, very little grit.
The glass is heated to extreme temperatures, ensuring complete sterility before the filling process begins.
The smooth, creamy peanut butter flows seamlessly from the precision nozzles, filling each jar with unerring accuracy at high speed.
Here, the capping mechanism spins rapidly, applying the precise torque needed to seal the lid tightly. The process is continuous and highly efficient. The high-speed conveyor system ensures that thousands of packages are sealed and labeled pneumatically each day, streamlining the entire shipment process. In a facility this size, precision is everything.
Look at that perfect toast.
Yay. Cheers, Dad. This is the best breakfast ever.
By blending the peanut butter with chili and coconut milk, we achieve a sauce that is both rich and surprisingly versatile.